Alright, YouTube. I've seen it all. I'm highly inspired. Had no idea. I had no idea. This is probably the most requested YouTube barber I've seen on any of my reaction videos. There's probably like 2 or 3 others that are requested pretty close, but this guy definitely stood out because every reaction video somebody requested him. I go on his YouTube channel. The thumbnails are crazy, amazing. He's from Brazil. You know the barber industry is popping in Brazil right now. And then this happened. So I look at his channel and I'm looking for what is the most popular video he has, because I don't remember watching any of his videos. And then I see this damn video. I did not know this was even possible. 49 million views in 9 months. 49 million views in 9 months. This man has one video that's got more views than my channel has received in at least 2.5 years. Amazing. I can't wait to watch this video. I can't wait to look at the comment section. He made a lot of money off that video too. I hope he had ads on, man. I hope he got the bag, because in Brazil, people ain't making that type of money, bro. Like, I hope he got blessed. He deserves it. Look at his thumbnails. Like, look at the work that is art. You know what I'm saying? It's not your typical barbershop haircuts. But don't get it twisted. I could see, like, I look at this cut right here. You already know regular haircuts are a walk in the park for him. He's bored. He's bored of regular haircuts. You know what I mean? So he's doing haircuts he knows is going to get crazy views. And it is working. This man is getting millions and millions and millions of views. Bro, this is rapper stuff right here. This is rapper views, rapper subscribers. Like, congratulations, Agno Black Red. You've inspired me, bro. So anyways, let's go ahead and watch this video. My guy put the affiliate link in the description for that product. Oh yeah, he deserves all these views, man. I'm all in. This has got to be like a 2.5 hour service. Only YouTubers know how much work he's put into this video, bro. This was not easy. And it don't look like he has a cameraman. I think he's doing this all himself. I like this beat too, man. This is dope. Beat is dope. He about to color his eyebrow. Oh no, you good. This is so dope. So dope. Can I say something real quick? Like, I haven't seen the cut, but do you know how passionate, how much work, how much studying, what he had to do to get to this level just on the coloring side? Like, I'm just watching how he's combing and sectioning the hair, and this is elite level. This is 10,000 hours times 10. You know what I mean? This is 100,000 hours of molding his craft, man. And I guess the reason why to me it touches me so much is because I'm Colombian and Puerto Rican. I've been to Colombia many times, and my family out there, I see how they live and the things that they are appreciative of. And so I could just imagine what it's like in Brazil. And this guy has found a passion in, like, barbers here in the States, we got it easy. We got it real easy. Like, barbers make 6 figures, like, that's a trending topic. But can you imagine being this passionate, getting this good? I'm not, like, I don't know what his pockets look like, and I'm not trying to count his pockets. I'm just saying, like, he's got to work 3 times, 5 times as hard as an American barber to make the same type of money. You know what I'm saying? And for him to still reach this elite level and probably feeling underappreciated, underpaid, that's amazing. I hope this YouTube channel continues to blow up for him, and I hope he's getting the bag, man. I hope so. Little light cross graduation. I think he could have just done block graduation personally, but this is his art. Yeah, I would have just done like block graduation, maybe even just clip over comb. But we all got our different styles, man. Profile guide in the middle, profile section in the middle. is going to determine the shape of the cut. Yep, and then he's going to take horizontal sections. This don't remind y'all of somebody? Great minds think alike. Blow dry the hair now. Yeah, he know what he doing, man. Man, I know this is off topic, but I want to take a second and shout out Georgie. So Georgia, he has been helping me with video editing, and I can't believe the work ethic he has. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been putting in a lot of work, and I do a lot of different things. And when you do a lot of different things, at some point you got to scale. And I remember he reached out to me. He said, yo, Chris, I love your channel, and I think I can make it better. I said, okay, how can you make it better? He said, let me just edit one of your videos. Bring me on full time to edit your videos. He edited one of my videos and it was dope. So the way I looked at it was like, yo, I'm gonna bring Georgie up on the team and he's gonna edit a few videos. He might edit 5 videos a month, you know what I'm saying? But once we started working together, he started pushing me. He was on my ass, man, talking about, yo, when's the next video? When's the next video? And this is during the quarantine. I'm like, Georgie, I can't even get in the shop, bro. He's like, yo, we still gotta figure out how to create more content. And so he really pushed me, man. And this is a guy who is somewhere in Europe, and I can't believe the work ethic he has, man. Like, I'll send him footage, I'll send him material, and he'll edit it and he'll have it done in a few hours. It's crazy. It just makes me think of the barber in this video. Like, these guys, they don't know any better. And so when I think about guys like this that can come to the States, for example, and have the platform and the resources that the States offer, it's no wonder why people come into this country from other countries and are super successful and blow up, because they're humble enough to do it. And I think that that's one of my biggest attributes, is that, you know, when my father would take me to Colombia, I would spend summers in Puerto Rico. Like, I've always had that sense of humility. I don't take for granted what I have and the platform that I have. So I'm sorry to go on this rant, but I just felt like it was necessary. Shout out to Georgia. He's literally one of the biggest pieces to this pie, to the reason why we've been able to pump out so much content. He's a game changer. Anyways, let's continue. Oh yeah, this gonna be a crazy cut. You know, I feel like he learned from Josh OP, because he's doing a lot of Josh OP's techniques, bro. I've learned a lot from Josh OP. I don't know, and Josh OP's been to Brazil a few times. Yo, he's like freehanding this. Now, this ain't the Josh OP technique right here. Everything else was, but this right here is different. Is he freehanding this? No guards, freehanding, clipper over comb. This is the texture of hair you can do this with, though. Like, if you're gonna do this on a specific texture of hair, this is the texture of hair you're gonna do it with. But my man is a monster. He's a monster. He's out of this world. He's comfortable doing this. Wow. You making me get in my bag, bro. You making me get in my bag now. I'm about to show up the next tutorials, bro. You saw the prison cut challenge. You've seen the scissor only fade. You've seen the no guard challenge. We've been doing these type of haircuts for a long time, but he's really snapping. He's really snapping. Look at him. Dry shaving. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. So much talent. And he's using these detailers right here. I'm sorry, Wall. I said the seniors are like the best clippers ever made. These trimmers are probably the worst trimmers ever made. I would want to sit down with your engineering team and like really figure out what they were thinking. Look at the razor handle. Bro, he is snapping. He is snapping. So look, this haircut right here, let me know in the comments if you live in the States, just so my international people can see. If you live in the States, how much you think this haircut right here would have cost? To me, the color alone is like $120. The color alone. So to me, this is a $150 to $200 haircut. To me. Damn, that's crazy packaging for a powder. That look like seasoning packaging. It's so hard to get cosmetics to Brazil. They got so many laws, so many rules. That's why there's not a lot of like brands in Brazil. So you guys know they don't have the same resources we have, especially when it comes to like styling products, the cosmetics, because there's so many regulations for like importing. It's crazy. You know, he's showing y'all the styling, how he pieces everything together. I don't have the patience for that. That's a lot, man. I don't have the patience for that. When I do the styling, I put the powder in, I just go done. Now, I've got some tutorials where I did this too. It's a cool look. It's hard for clients to do the same thing, but nonetheless, for photos, it gets attention. And for thumbnails. So he definitely enhanced it. You know what though? I wish he would have showed the enhancements. That I wish he did. He should have showed the enhancements. Look at him, passionate as hell, bro. Blurry. Blurry.
É isso aí, família. Espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo. Eu não quero nem conversa, já pula com os dois pés no like aí pra ajudar no crescimento.
All the machines that he used. So he's doing the affiliate link thing. Oh yeah, he getting his money, he getting his bag.
Se você quiser adquirir, na descrição eu vou deixar aqui
Description.
o contato do fornecedor.
Description.
Cara, não tem melhor preço. Então você corre lá.
Bro, I'm proud of you, bro. Let's look at the comment section. 49 million views. This is like big artist music video. Wow. I really like this hairstyle. It's definitely a lot of Brazilians. It's like the whole country watching. Damn true, world is full of legends. He's legendary for sure. Perfect style, bro. Keep it up. Yeah. I gotta skip like 10, 20 comments before I can get an English one. It's beautiful until he gets a shower. Haters, stop hating. Wow. Yo, how do you, I wonder what it's like to live like that. That's a lifestyle. Like to go out of your way to watch an entire video, because he had to watch the entire video, and go out of your way to comment below and spend your time to comment some negative shit. Like, excuse my language, but what's that like? That's tough. Your shave is the best shave I've seen. Man. Brazil, I'm telling you, Brazil loves barbering. Look at the support. Hey man, I'm inspired. Agno Black Red, keep doing your thing, bro. You are definitely a legend. With those type of numbers, you're like Pac Biggie. Like they didn't need a whole career. They just needed a season to prove their point, bro. And you snapping, bro. Like just looking at your channel is super inspirational. The thumbnails, the level of work, the editing, just all of it is amazing. So shout out to you, bro. Love the channel. If you guys want to see more of his videos, I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah, keep commenting, you know what I'm saying, letting me know who you guys want me to react to. But for this episode, this is reacting to the most requested barber tutorials.